We're in downtown Indianapolis. This is the old Angie's List campus, the new Ball State Indianapolis Center. And this sign is announcing the presence of the center to the city and a major artery along Washington Street.
So I came down during one of the college tours where they had all the different majors set up, and I was walking through the architecture building and I'm like, man, this place is awesome, you know? Just seeing all the models and everyone interacting with each other.
It's a great atmosphere, and I think making new friends, having these type of opportunities, it gives you so much. It's fantastic.
As part of an immersive learning opportunity for the students, we're helping to brand the new center by building and designing the sign.
Ball State has been an amazing opportunity for me to kind of learn. I've always loved architecture going in, but I think definitely now getting especially all this hands-on experience, it'll definitely help me in the long run, especially when I apply those skills later on.
Everyone's super supportive, they're working well together. There's been a lot of need for just creative problem solving.
Trying to give something back to the community through the installation of not only a signage, but a nice piece of installation art.
It's so rewarding seeing the stuff that you work on just come to fruition. So I think it just gives me goosebumps.
It's been a good choice for me, and I've been loving every moment of it.
I think this program as a whole has prepared me very, very well for the real world, which I'm really thankful for.